Hello, everyone. Each day I'm inspired by the work our incredible associates do to bring our purpose to feed the human spirit to life and to provide the freshest food, products, and a safe shopping environment for our customers and each other. Recently, one of our supply chain associates, Patty, shared with me why it's so important to her to stay healthy and safe both at work and at home. She does it for her family, especially her grandson, Braden, who has special needs that Patty, along with the rest of her family, help to care for. From wearing a mask to social distancing to remembering healthy habits like washing your hands, safety is a priority for her. It's thanks to Patty and our more than 500,000 other associates who have worked to provide a safe and uplifting environment throughout this pandemic that I'm proud to share that Kroger has been ranked number 9 on this year's Axios Harris Poll 100 list, which ranks the reputations of the 100 most visible companies in the U.S. While we are proud of our shared accomplishments, we are committed to do more for our associates, customers, and communities. Next week, we will share our 2020 Environmental, Social, and Governance Report on the KrogerCo.com. It highlights how we are working to create a more sustainable future as we continue to deliver on our commitment to zero hunger, zero waste. You can join us on this journey to creating communities free of hunger and waste by simply reducing food waste in your own kitchen or rounding up at the register to donate your spare change to the Kroger Co. Zero Hunger, Zero Waste Foundation. Thanks to all who have already donated. As our country continues to navigate this unprecedented public health crisis, I want to personally thank you for joining me in wearing a mask when shopping at our stores to create a safer experience. And to our associates, thank you for your hard work every day to be there for our customers, communities, and each other. Stay strong, be safe.